January the 4th, 2025. Hello and welcome to A Penny for Your Future. My name is David and I will be your host for the next 10 to 20 minutes. First of all, I'm not a financial guru. I'm just a normal person who researches financial information, and I am not rich, as I have a very small income, less than $20,000 per year, which most of you know is not enough to even begin to live on. So what do? I start researching ways to make more money. I want to help others who are in the same situation I am. This channel was created to help others find ways to reach financial success without breaking the bank, which is something available in my 10-chapter book, Financial Freedom on a Budget, a practical guide to earning passive income without breaking the bank. This book is available for $5, but for a limited time you can get this masterpiece for free when you sign up for my newsletter. So let's start the new year off by learning more about money, cryptocurrency, and investing. Let's go over a couple of common banking terms used in the financial sector. Asset. An item with value or benefit that can generate revenue or interest. Assets can be tangible, like real estate, or intangible, like a brand name. A balance sheet. A financial statement that shows a business's assets and liabilities, as well as shareholder equity. Cash flow. A measure of when money moves in a business rather than just how much money comes in and goes out. Income statement, also known as a profit and loss statement. This financial document reports a company's earnings and losses over a period of time. Liability, something a company or individual owes, such as a debt, loan, or mortgage. Depreciation, this allocation of the cost of an asset over its useful life, reflecting the reduction in value due to wear and tear or obsolescence. Equity, an organization's net worth calculated by subtracting liabilities from assets. Amortization, the process of reducing the balance of a loan over time. Collateral, an asset that a borrower offers as security for a loan to ensure that the lender gets their money back if the loan isn't paid. Now that we've learned a few terms, we can move forward to understanding some other information, like how we generate passive income without breaking the bank. Let's look at Bitcoin. It seems to grow and grow. In the month of December, it surpassed the 100K per coin mark, which was a record high. I hope that doesn't scare you, because it should make you very excited, because you can grow your money by investing in things like cryptocurrency. Also, you can opt for real estate, where you buy a house as part of a group of investors, remodel, and sell for profit. Now, you won't get rich with this approach, but you can certainly make enough money to invest in other property, like rental property. Or you can opt for a little cost. You can open an Etsy online store, which is one of the several that come to mind. Etsy is one type of online store that you can open, and with the right products and traffic, you could make a small income. Either way, the goal of this channel is to educate people on different ways to make a living, where you can let it run without day-to-day interaction. One thing that rich people do is they adopt a frugal habits when it comes to money, and they find ways to cut expenses, like moving into a smaller house, driving a cheaper used car, and cutting food costs, which at the end of the paycheck cycle, there should be money left over for putting into an emergency fund of about 8 months of cost of living for the month. Here is a 5-step plan to get out of the paycheck to paycheck and never find yourself broke again. 1, let's understand exactly why people live paycheck to paycheck. They don't live a frugal lifestyle. Most people don't understand that money is a tool to be used to get more money. We can change our mindset to the frugal mindset by simply lowering living expenses and not splurging on things like Amazon or eating out all the time. Let's start with the leftover funds from step 2 above by establishing an emergency fund with 12 months of funding, and once that has begun and once it's been accomplished, we can move on to step number 4. Now let's start looking for ways to put your money to work for you, like investing in index funds as a starting place. This method may be slow, but it will generate passive income by reinvesting the money you make, plus adding to it weekly. You will see your money grow. Now, step 5, know that you have excess funds. Now that you have excess funds, you can find more ways to make more money. Remember to think outside the box when finding more ways to make money. As Dave Ramsey said, ask your wage. Invest in yourself and keep growing. If you're an entrepreneur, then put yourself on a smaller salary. Then as your company grows, you have operating capital to expand the business. Never begin the day until you have written down all of it on paper. Warren Buffett. The more money that you put into the economy, the more you get back in your business. So let's look at what could be considered wasteful spending. Buying an expensive car or house. Remember to stay frugal. Remember that you must live frugally so you can start your savings, investing, and then expanding your business. All the while you are continually investing in yourself and your team. Continue to learn more each day, and remember that money is nothing more than math. Most of us know math. And with that in mind, I started this channel to help people learn about money and value it properly. By investing in index funds, one can make more money to invest. As you make more money, remember to reinvest some of the time from your paycheck. So you are multiplying your investment. So if you apply these simple but easy rules, you will find that freedom from the burden of living week to week becomes easier. Your life will become more worry-free without the stress of, can I afford to move to a nicer house or buy a new used car, etc. Money is like an arm or leg. Use it or lose it. Henry Ford. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and sign up for a copy of the newsletter and buy the book. Until next time, David.